Hey, what's up guys, it's Spectrum back here with a brand new video, and today we're going to be doing another one of my unboxing videos. So, let's get right into it. We got the package here. Looks like a big package, huh? I'm more than sure that I know what this is. It's probably more than likely the X23. Let's see here, let's get this puppy opened. Alright. Let's get this out of the way here. Oh, that's why it feels so large, because it's inside of a protective thingamajig. Let's see here, what does this say? If we can get it opened. Okay. Thank you for your purchase. We look forward to doing business again with you on eBay. Marvel Legends X-Men New Wolverine X23 from Sauron series. Thank you. We're just going to go ahead and cut through this too. Oh, it seems the packaging was folded. I'm not a big fan of that, but it's not like I'm going to keep it forever anyway. Once I get too many packages again. Oh, it seems like it'll be alright. I misjudged the size of this versus the actual package. It should be fine then. Let's see here. Is there any... Okay, so right here. Sorry, this is such a tedious process, to be honest. There we go. Alright. I love how you guys can't see most of the process. Oh man, my last one was like 2 minutes tops, and this one's going to be like 3 or 4. Now we're almost there. Okay. I did not cut myself. What? This isn't new? Why is the tape missing? On the listing it says brand new. That's really messed up, man. Yeah, like, the whole tab is... Oh, dude, really? Like, when you remove the tape, it adds adhesive to the packaging. And then there's... Oh, man. This packaging is all messed up. Oh, well, she's looking pretty cool in there. You can see that real quick. I do like that a lot. I will have an unboxing video on my Instagram. Probably sooner than this uploads, to be honest. Just because, you know, YouTube videos take forever to upload. But, yeah, that's about it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will have a review on her up later today also. So stay tuned, excuse me, for that. And this is Spectrum Movies, and I'm rolling out, and I'll see you guys later. Please don't forget to like my Facebook page. Link will be in the description below, and follow me on Instagram at spectrum.reviews. And have a good day. Peace!